right, so our producer Unique has absolutely nothing to do as always. So she's concocted some sort of three-part quiz to test how much we know about reggae music and musicians. So in the first round, we'll have to... Sim will have to sing a popular song based on the instrumental she's going to play. Then we'll be shown video clips and we'll have to give the title of the song. And finally, we'll be asked to finish the lines from some reggae classics within the time. All right, I'll soon come back. Don't move. Just wait till I come back.
Ready? Is it an alternating thing?
Yeah, me go first.
Okay.
I'll go first.
Ready.
Because you're going to beat me anyway.
No.
Run the instrument.
Your book still in here so we can beg him up. Natural Mystic by Bob Marley. Why you do that? You ask them for... Oh,
there's a natural mystic blowing the air. Do you have to sing no more?
Naturally now. He just did.
I did.
Even though I was the one who buzzed the buzzer. So
might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer. Many more will have to die. Don't ask me why. Here's this.
Two songs in my head. One is oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Stop sending flowers to our apartment.
Samaroonie.
You said you didn't mind much anymore. Oh, sorry. Mel first. Yes.
Where's that one that you're supposed to sing though?
Is which one?
I don't know about that.
Okay.
That doesn't sound like
I gave
right
you two, Bridget.
Next one. We're not done now. Buju.
Wanna be loved.
Buju.
No, the song is not Buju.
No, you're saying must name the singer too.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. No? So I name the singer and you will sing it.
Are you singing?
No, I named this.
Strings attached, I wanna give you my heart. Don't wanna take it back. And this is my cha-cha. I've been searching a long time for that oh so true love, the comfort. I think we're gone further.
Yeah, we're all right now. Buju in the place. Now you're going to show video clips now. All right.
I'm only human, not looking for impossibilities. Studying the
watch video, no, so
sincerity. One who is always to the video.
That don't long time.
There to hold.
Stop noise, man.
Really unique?
No audio.
No audio?
That is Stephen.
Ziggy and Daniel.
That is Stephen and Gang. First me see that video.
I would never have
I know the
this
song,
tune.
but it's the first I see that video there. Next one. So we never get that one.
Womp womp.
We're working together?
No.
We're not?
Never. Okay.
Mama.
Sit.
Mama from Sizzla.
Just have mercy. Alright, take time now.
Let me not lick up that long time.
It's called Thank You, man.
What me say Mama Sizzla?
Not Mama.
We must get that. We must get that one.
Could be go on, Mama.
Mama Sizzla, me say. Must get that. And
I
I see the
you remember
bus.
that
Me just see the bus and me know.
I thought you said you don't know videos.
Well, I don't
You
say all of them.
lied.
No, I didn't see the one before. I said I don't watch
Always
videos,
lie.
but no, it's Sizzla.
Lie.
I would have.
Well. Come now.
Yeah. Lila Ike.
I would never have.
Now you know her face. That man, she tough man. You know who's our backup singer?
Who is?
Tiffany.
Yeah. Makeup artist Tiffany?
Tiffany is our backup
you tell
singer.
me
I would have tell you something that.
Me never say Tiff so bad.
No man, she can sing proper.
I've heard her. She's beautiful.
If you want to hear, there's a Kabaka Pyramid and Damian Junior Gang. Wait name? Contraband. Them say something about Tiffany and the Contraband. Listen to it now. Next one.
Said something about Tiffany in a song about contraband.
Yeah, but we can't.
What
tell
do they
you.
say?
We can't tell you what them
Oh, this look like a...
That's Gregory Isaacs, Night Nurse. Wait, no, stop that. Stop it. Stop it.
No,
stop it.
never, no.
Stop it, no, please.
Never, no.
Stop it.
No.
Come on, no, you're in a version like
No.
the great summer version.
No, no.
Summer, let off your
I'm
version.
not.
No, come on,
Leave
man.
me alone.
Come on, man.
No.
Let
I
off.
never ring the bell.
Let off the version.
Leave me alone, man.
Come on,
Sure.
she have the
No.
greatest night nerd version.
No.
What me know about that a while ago? We just.
That was very good.
Thank you very much. Mama did good too. Next one. That's it? No, we have 29 seconds. 28 seconds.
Wait.
Just let the night nurse.
No.
Come on,
Isn't
man.
there one more segment?
No, she said we don't have the time. We don't have the time.
But we have
No, there's
9
another.
minutes at the end of
Come
the
on, man.
show.
Come on, man. Sing it now.
We have 9 minutes.
Come on, Summer Rooney, man.
I'll do it at the end of the show.
Oh, by the way, that fourth sponsor for the Gleaner Awards,
RJR Gleaner Honor
Gleaner
Awards.
Honor Awards would be
Jamaica Brothers.
Jamaica Brothers, Mr. Allen. So it's Red Stripe, Burrito, Jamaica Brothers, and Main Event. So he did mention Jamaica Brothers. There you go.
Night,
Some man, me I tell you. Back up. Come now, man. Done it now.
Tell her try your best just to make it quick. Home attend to the sick. But there must be something she can do. This heart is broken in two. Tell her it's a case of emergency. There's a patient by the